So yep, hello guys, you're welcome to another training today. Today I'm going to teach you how to I'm going to teach you how to create official emails. So I'm going to be doing several videos today, but yep, so there are going to be several short videos. So please stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and make sure you watch. Have any question, drop it on the comment box. Yeah, thank you. God bless you. So let's go ahead. So first of all, you want to go now. This has nothing to do with your WordPress dashboard. So you want to go to your hosting. Remember, I'm using Q Server here. They have good services and good response and good support system. So, but it's a Nigerian-based server. So first of all, you want to uh, go to your. You want to make sure that the hosting company that where you have hosted your site offer such free services. So this hosting company offers such services. So you can see here, after I've logged in and I came to my client area, so you would see that at this end here. Now, I don't want to show you how I got here on QServer because the experience might be different for every other hosting company. But let me just show you. So once you log in, you're going to get to this kind of interface. So you look for the hosting. So I'm using this particular one to do a class training. So you click on that space, the white space here. And then after clicking that, you'll be redirected to the screen where I was just now. So it's as simple as that. So yep, so when you get to this screen, when you get here, you can also save yourself the stress of instead of going through your client area on your hosting space, you could just access your cPanel, which is what I'm going to do. From this end, I'm going to access my cPanel for. But for most of you, once you paid for your hosting, you're going to get a login details, login credentials to your cPanel. So you could just log into your cPanel straight. But I'm going to access my cPanel from this end here. So I'll just click on this file manager. I'm going to take a longer route. There's a shorter route to that, but I'm going to take a longer route. So after I click on the file manager, it brings me straight to the cPanel. You see that? Simple. So I'm straight to the cPanel. Now on the cPanel, you will see several sections. You see the email section, you see the file section, you see the database section, you see the domain, the metrics. This is where you check analysis and all of that. Then you see the security section, you see the software section. There are lots of them you can install. You see the advanced preference, and then here this is other options of software you can install. Yeah, I'm going to take training on this later. So let's just go straight to what this particular training is for. The email, which is the first section. For yours, it might not be the first. For email, for the first section here, you could see it here. So the next thing you want to do is there are several things. There's email routing, forwarding, address. So there are lots of them, but for this video, we are sticking straight to creating emails, how to create official emails. So you want to go to your email accounts. You want to click on your email accounts. You're going to see several emails there. So here you would see several email here. You could see here we have several emails here. This is the info, the HRO, the admin, and lots of the emails. So I'm going to show you how to create. Let's assume you want to create okay, here we have the support email. So let's assume you want to create an email that has maybe a customer email or one of your staff email. So let's say you have a staff that is called Henry and you want to create an official email for Henry. So what you do is you come to this place where you have create and then you click on create there. So when you click on create, you'll be redirected to this interface. The next thing you want to do is put the name of Henry here. Sorry, you have an N in Henry. So you put the name of Henry here, then you generate a password for Henry. You could do that on your own. You could decide to type out the password or you use the generate button here to generate a password for Henry. If it is only Henry you want to create email for, so you don't need to check this box. But if you want to create email for several other people other than Henry, you want to check this box so that after creating, you can still remain here to create more. Because if this box is not checked and you click on create, it will redirect you straight to the list of the emails where we came from. So what you want to do is, let's assume we are creating just for only Henry. So you click on create, and after creating, we'll be redirected to our list of emails. You can see that Henry have been added to the email. So you then have to send Henry his login credentials, this email address, and then the password that you generated. So, and then if you want Henry to be able to log in successfully, you don't want to give Henry your server password to pass through your server to log in from this screen. No, this screen is uh, is strictly for the admin purpose. So if Henry wants to log into his email, Henry will have to visit this domain. So first of all, Henry will have to put in the domain of your site. That's the company that is actually creating this site for Henry, this email for Henry. You can see this is a domain here from this end to this place. That's what makes up the domain. So you would want to send Henry this login details, this link, and then his login credentials. So the link will be um, the domain /webmail. That's your domain /webmail. So once Henry visits that link, it's going to redirect Henry to a webmail login interface where Henry will be expected to put in his email and then his password. Sorry, I don't have that password on my head, so I'm just going to use Smitton to show you another thing. If you want to change Henry's password, which is what I'm going to do now so that I can be able to show you how this works here. So if you want to change Henry password, all you need to do is log into this part, this where you have all the list of the email, locate Henry's name, then click on manage. Now you'll be redirected to the screen where you can change Henry's password. So here, I'm just going to generate another password for Henry, copy that password. This is just for training purpose. Copy that password. Then I want to leave every other thing here. I'm going to explain this. Okay, this is if you don't want Henry's inbox to be limited, you can just select unlimited, but you don't want to do this because Henry's a star. So Henry's inbox should be limited. And then receiving email, sending email. So just leave all of this, leave all of that. So you want to, once you've done this already, so you want to scroll down and then click on update email. So once you click on that, so we want to log into Henry's email. So first of all, we're going to paste the password, then we'll go back and pick Henry's email address, copy that, then come back here and paste Henry's email address here. So now official email address, so we're going to click on login and straight away Henry will be allowed to log into his email interface. So now Henry might see this. The reason why Henry is seeing this is because we've not set this up from our end. So definitely this should be set up from our end. So I'm not going to do anything here. So I'm going to click back here. So then I'm going to click back. I'm going to put in Henry's. Oh, I don't have that password again, so I didn't put that password on my head. So, yep, so you've seen how Henry logs in. So I'm going to show you how you can prevent Henry from seeing that screen he just saw just now. So what you do is you click on check email. So you log in the email first from your admin end. So you log in the email first from your admin end. So once you log in the email first from your admin end, you're going to see the same screen. So you want to just click on this save and continue. So you want to come to this part that has open my inbox when I log in. So you don't need to bring me here. Just take me straight to my inbox when I log in. So you click on that and then you tick this box and then you click on open. So once you click that open now, it will take you straight to the inbox. Now, if Henry should log in again, Henry is not going to be redirected to that screen anymore. Henry will be redirected straight to the inbox because you ticked that box I just showed you just now. So let's take a look at that one more time. So sorry, I'm going to have to reset Henry's password again. Generate password for Henry, copy that, and then update it. So I'm going to go back to the interface, put in the password, and then log in. Let's see if Henry will be shown that screen anymore. Henry is not supposed to see that anymore because we've set that up already. Henry is clicking straight to the inbox. You can see. So Henry can decide to save his password without putting it in again. So straight away, Henry will be brought in if he doesn't want to put his password again. So you can see that is how you set up an official email. Everything you need to know about an official email. So if you want to set this email up on your mobile phone, you can also do that. How do you do that? So let's say Henry wants to set this email up on his mobile phone, connect the email to his mobile phone. So Henry wants to click on connect devices. Then Henry would see the information that is required to log in. So these are the information Henry is going to be asked. Henry is going to be asked of his username, which is going to be his email address. Will be asked of his password, which is his password for that email. He will be asked for the incoming server and then asked for ports. So Henry will be asked for ports. So if Henry is using a POP 3 ports, so he's going to be using 995 as his port number. So if he's using an IMAP, he's going to be using uh, 993 as his port number. So outgoing server, Henry is going to put that server as his outgoing server also, and then put the SMTP port there. And yeah, Henry just need to fill in all this information because one is trying to log in that just like the way you log into your Gmail on your phone. When he's trying to log in, Henry will be asked all of this information. So Henry is not going to select login with Gmail. So definitely Henry is going to select IMAP or the IMAP or the POP3 kind of email. So he's going to see that option there. So those are the options he's going to select and then proceed with the login details. I'm going to share that on my mobile phone, but not in this training, another training. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please share so that every other person can be able to enjoy this knowledge. It's just free knowledge. So, and then I hope this helped you to create your official email next time. So, thank you so much for watching.